Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. I have been waiting for about 6 weeks to make this video. And this is about altering your bench pin, because it is really so important that you learn how to use your tools to work for you. And I'm going to show you some tips and tricks about your bench pin and how you can alter one yourself. I am taking my square hook and the pencil and I'm just scribing a line. And I think it's about 1 centimeter. Yes, almost 1 centimeter into my bench pin. Then take your saw blade and make an initial indentation. And after that you can continue with a needle file, and I am using this triangular one. I have this half-rounded file here and I'm going to use this to clean this up. And I am going to make another cut in here because I really like changing my saw blade and securing my saw in my bench pin. So I'm going to make a cut just as wide as my saw blade. In the middle of the opening here. I want to flatten out this part some more. Of course I can do so by taking my normal file and just keep on filing, but I want to save myself some time. So I have this sanding machine and this is what I'm going to use. And this flat spot will give me some room to make a bit of a cup, because when I'm working on my jewelry, I love placing my gemstones close to what I'm working on. And if I have this little cup here, I always know where they are and they don't slip away. And I think this will do. Again with the ball burr. And you might think, What does this have to do with a metalsmithing course? It's very important for you to learn how you can alter your tools so you can use them to your advantage, but also using a burr like this, all these little things are giving you the right control and are learning you how to use your flex shaft.